Hey baby, it's the church mother and welcome to Cooking with Mother. Today I'm going to show you how to cut up a whole fried chicken. But first, if you haven't subscribed, you got to do so and hit that little bell for the notifications when I got a new video. Now you start with your chicken, obviously. I have it all out the package and patted dry. You get your knife. If you have a chef's knife, great. If not, just get a nice sharp knife and watch your fingers. So we are going to cut this into 8 serving pieces plus the back. Now I'm going to start with it with the legs facing me. So I'm going to spread this one and you're going to cut right down till you see there's a little bone right there. And you snap it. You see that? You snap the bone. And you take it off just like that. Use my plate over here. We're gonna take the other side and do the same thing. You feel where the little bone is down there. Cut it. And you feel it snap. Okay, now we flip it around and we do the same thing with the wing. Now on the wing, I make 2 incisions. One on one side and then the other one on the other side. And you'll feel the snap right there. See, that's the joint and you'll know that's where you cut. And you cut it all the way through. Just like that. Watch your fingers now. We're gonna do it on the same thing on the other side. See, you feel where the joint is. And see, when you go into the meat, it pretty much cut itself right there at the joint. And you just snap that off right there. Okay? We're gonna go on the back side, right here. That's the back. Mother cooks the back, honey. She cooks that. Now, if you don't want to cook the back, you can always put it in a plastic bag or one of them freezer bags and put it in later for making, your chicken noodle soup or your soup stock and stuff like that. So you just take that and you will be able to feel right there where you just cut right on down the line. It's like a puzzle. It tells you exactly where you cut. Right there. And you see, before I go any further, you can see right there, cut that little piece. You can see right there where you have the back, and then the front, the breast, right there. And then so you just cut right down that little middle, the back and the breast, cut away from you, because it can be slippery. And there's the back, right there. Now we're gonna save the back because we're gonna cook the back too, that's good. And now the last piece is the breast. So because we have the skin on the breast, and I wanna keep the skin on, I'm gonna move it around on the side here, on the back side, on the inside, and then I'm gonna cut right down the middle like that, down the breastplate. Right there. You just cut that down the middle. And cut it right in half. Right there. So now you have 2 breasts, the back, 2 legs, and the wing. Like that. Mother didn't forget, calm down, Mother didn't forget. I'm showing you all the little pieces there. Now, before we finish, we got to get separated the leg and the thigh. That's my favorite part, honey. So, again, you will feel where the bone is. You can almost see where the bone is right there. So you take it and you just cut it right there where the bone is, and it pretty much snaps itself apart. There you go. Right there, don't be scared, it won't bite you. See, just like that. Your leg and your thigh. And then we're gonna do the other one right here. Turn it around here. Little leg and the thigh, you can feel it. You can feel it right there. You just snap it right there. It just snaps in two. There you go. Now we got all the little pieces. We got the legs, we got the thighs, we got the breast, we got the two wings, and we got the back. And there you have it, a simple way to cut up a whole chicken. I hope these tips helped. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Please share this video and put a comment and like down at the bottom for me, okay? Until next time, Church Muva loves you. Hey baby, thanks for watching. You like that video? Check out this one.